Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush, Bulbasaur C, Super Bosses 21 to 25. Just when we thought the spike in Pokemon power had subsided, now we're hearing word that mighty Super Bosses have appeared. We're counting on you and other skilled adventurers. You can do it. That said, let us begin, guys. We are switching summon gears. We have a superpower gear, Stuffle. We don't have a Beware summon gear. It's fine. And I just left our dance studio. Doors are being closed. And just in case, guys, that I become silent, that means I'm inside a grab car and I cannot exactly talk a lot. If not, the other riders might question me. But that was Super Boss number 21, guys. 6 minutes before my car comes to fetch me. I think that's sufficient time for this video. Next up is Super Boss number 22. Golem, also weak to our Stuffle gear. Not so effective against our Thunder Punch, but it's okay. We're still gonna use this. We're not gonna switch out. And hopefully we do well. I just realized that I went away from my internet connection source. Trying to go back. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I failed, guys. I failed. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Give me 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And why are you not working still? Why are you not working? What the heck just happened? My ride said it's appeared, it's arrived, but it's still not here. What the heck? Not you. So weak, so weak. Come on, summon someone. Summon. Come on. Come on, hurry up and summon someone. Summon someone. Why did he become pink? Let's kill him before 10 seconds. That's it. He's dead. He is dead, guys. He is dead. And that was it. That was Super Boss number, I don't know, I forgot. Was it 22? And I think this is 23. Jolteon again? Again? Jolteon again, Super Boss number 23. What the heck just happened? Why am I not moving? Okay guys, Super Boss number 23, Jolteon. Let's quickly get through this stage. Switching back to our magnitude gear. Charizards, tiny Charizards. It's gonna charge towards me, it's fine. How dare you kill your Charizard? How dare you not make me summon Charizard? I mean, how dare you make me not summon my Dog Trio? There you have it. Dead. Two more super bosses to go, but my ride is almost here and I might need to stay silent. This is super boss number 24, guys. Venusaur perfect for Fire Fang gear. Switching to Fire Fang. We don't need to charge this up. This is awesome. I think I can defeat this boss very quickly. Venusaur, here we go. The opponent looks huge like this with all those putty rats. Goodbye. You dead. Last super boss for this video, guys, and my ride is almost here. Hurry up and finish before my ride arrives. Dragonite, oh my goodness. Dragon gear. Okay, we have a Zygarde gear. And you're loading very slowly again in this part. Why the heck is my ride going very far away from me? Switch. Raichu. Switch you with Outrage gear. Equip. Yes. Switch. Battle. Hopefully we get to kill this fast. Outrage. And one more outrage, guys. He's dead. Super boss number 25 is dead before my ride arrived. Awesome. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys with Super Bosses 26 and up in the next few videos. Thank you for watching.